Hey, what's going on, man?
What's going on, man?
In the parking lot of AutoZone? What's going on, bro?
Ironically, I just dropped my other battery off too to get charged. Man, this one give me another couple days. And
oh shit, man.
Yeah.
So what are they gonna do for you here? They're just charging your old battery?
Yeah, charging my other battery.
Oh, okay.
The other one got zapped like a few months ago because the issue just started maybe a few months ago, and same thing.
You can just buy a new battery though? I guess you just be tearing through that one too.
Yeah,
I guess till you get the problem
I just need to
fixed.
throw the thing in the shop, but I just don't have the time to have a down car.
I hear you.
It's going bad. The starter's fucked up.
You want me to test the alternator for you? Have you had it tested or no?
You wouldn't mind, yeah.
No, it only takes a second, man, and it doesn't cost anything. So,
Yeah.
all right, go ahead, release the throttle. Yeah, you're all. I'm gonna print this for you, but your alternator's bad.
Yeah.
Rescues right now, man. I'll log off if you want.
Yeah, man, 150 bucks. Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
I'll go grab the alternator if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah, no, I'll grab my tools, man, and I'll get started right away.
Yeah, thank you, man.
All right. Okay, that's where we're supposed to be. Yeah, that's it. I'll go ahead and turn it on now.
No problem, man. No problem, man.